Hi mga madam, thank you for coming to your GFH Street Restaurant. So ayun guys, bali pinasyalan pala tayo ni Madam Marivic and Madam Eileen. Bali umorder sila guys ng pansit bihon and halo-halo ng GFH Street Restaurant. Mga madam, ano po masasabi niyo sa pansit bihon and halo-halo ng GFH Street Restaurant?
Sarap. Lagi naman ako na-order ng talabat o smiles.
Yes. So, ayun guys, si Madam Marivic pala is a regular customer namin sa Talabat and Smiles. Thank you so much, Madam, for supporting GFH Street Restaurant. Madam, ano po masasabi niyo sa halo-halo and pansit bihon ng GFH Street Restaurant?
The best.
Thank you so much, Madam. Madam Marivic, baka may gusto ka pong i-promote sa page natin. Invite natin sila na i-promote yung page natin.
Guys, hello guys. Palo Rosas Bonitas. MT Galolo.
And padami na rin ng GFH Street.
Guys, palo sa GFH Restaurant. Punta kayo dito guys. Masarap pagkain.
Thank you so much, Madam. Have a nice day. So, yun guys, once again, another happy and satisfied customer of your GFH Street Restaurant. For those who want to try the real happiness and satisfaction, Chic Amar Street, Rauda 3, Ajman UAE is the location of your GFH Street Restaurant. So, once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.